Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. And yeah, it's been about a minute since I posted a video here, and yeah, I'm really sorry. I have been not consistent, as you can tell, and I really apologize for that. I'm trying my best to get back to the rhythm of posting regularly, and I'm doing that starting with this video. And as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm doing an unboxing of Chromecast. And this is not just the regular Chromecast, this is the Chromecast with Google TV. And so for those of you out there who don't know what a Chromecast is, so basically a Chromecast is a streaming device or a streaming stick, like you may be familiar with the Amazon Fire Stick or Roku TV or even Apple TV, the 4K, the physical device. This is Google's competitive product for streaming as well, and basically a Chromecast allows you to stream directly onto your TV. So for TVs which aren't smart TVs, so like myself, I have a 32-inch Hisense digital satellite TV, but it isn't a smart TV. So the Chromecast allows me to stream YouTube, Netflix, and other applications directly onto my TV. And the main difference between this, right? So here's the thing: I have the old Chromecast, which isn't so old. The one before this particular one just came. That one is the Chromecast without Google TV, and that one is the more traditional Chromecast. It relies on your mobile device. So if you have a smartphone, an Android and iOS, what it does is that it's heavily reliant on the applications on your mobile phone. So you stream from your mobile phone directly to your TV. But the advantage with this one is that, so this one has the Google TV inbuilt on the Chromecast. So it means that it's not reliant on your mobile phone. You can, right off the box, start streaming directly on the device on your TV. But the other advantage is this comes with a remote, and that is what got my attention. That's what really it got my spark, and I was like, yo, I need to get this. Although I have the previous one, and which works okay, but I was like, this has a remote, this has Google TV inbuilt. Let me get it. So I got this, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this, and yeah, later on I would do a comparison. I'll do an installation, try it out, test it out, and then do a comparison between this one and the old one that I have. Yeah, so that being said, let's jump into it. So that's been it. Thank you guys for tuning in to yet another awesome video by myself, MJ, and hope to catch you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.